Hello everyone. If you are given hundreds of data where you are asked to add some characters, unique characters at the beginning and at the end of the data, all you have to do is use a formula called concatenate. Here you can see the sample data given here with the serial number, registration number, name, and we are being asked to generate email addresses based on the registration number. So all I have to do is use the concatenate formula to add some unique character at the beginning of the registration number and the remaining email address at the end of the registration number, and that will generate the desired data. Type in equal sign, then type in concatenate. The formula will appear. Double click on the formula and it will insert the formula in the cell. Now type in quotation mark u, that what I want to add at the beginning of my data, quotation mark, comma, select the cell, comma, quotation mark. Now add the details that I want to add at the end of the data. Here I am adding @gedu.edu.pk, quotation mark and bracket close. Now press enter and you will get the desired data. The desired characters have been added at the beginning and at the end of the data. Now drag the cell down till the end of the data and you will get the desired data in no time. There is a second method where you can add some unique characters at the beginning and at the end of the data. All you have to do is type in equal sign, quotation mark, the desired character you want to add at the beginning. Here I am adding u, quotation mark, type in and sign, select the cell, type in and sign, quotation mark, the characters I want to add at the end, @gedu.edu.pk, quotation mark, and enter. You will get the desired data and drag the cell down and all the data will appear as per your requirement. Now if you only want to add some characters at the end of your data, all you have to do is use the same concatenate formula. Type in equal sign, type in concatenate, double click on the formula that appear on Excel. It will start the bracket. Select the cell that you want to add the characters at the end, comma, quotation sign, @gedu.edu.pk, quotation sign and bracket close. Press enter and you will get the desired data. Drag the cell down and all the data will change as per your requirement. The same goes for the second method. All you have to do is type in equal sign, press the data cell that you want to add the characters at the end, type in and sign, quotation mark, @gedu.edu.pk, quotation mark, and press enter. You will get the desired data. Drag the cell down and all the data will change accordingly.